Hey everybody, this is Diane with Craftin' with Fury, and I am here for Scrappy Shack, and I am super, did I say super, excited about this new Indigoblu mixed media box. This is a mega mixed media box, which is the first one that they've ever done. It's mega mixed media box #1, and it's the golden age of travel. When I seen this was coming out, I called Melanie and I said, I have to have this box because this is just right up my alley. Super excited. And wait till you see what we're going to make together in this box. So when you open it up, the first thing you're going to see is this beautiful booklet. And what this is this is a booklet of inspiration and ideas on what you can do that's in this box. And what we're going to be making is, you can see right here, there's like a travel journal that we're going to be able to make. Gorgeous. And here is another inspiration, like for travel cards. And guys, this is what we are going to be making. We are going to be making a suitcase from beginning to end. I cannot wait to get started. And you can decorate it and you can do it any way you want. I love that gold handle. I'm going to have to keep that one in mind. And then, of course, it's got all of these other inspirations in this book that can kind of help you out. So let's go over what is in the box. And of course, Suki has to check it out. What do you think, Suki? Are we going to enjoy this? She's moving the paper out of the way so you guys can see. Go on. So what we're going to have, I'm going to move this aside. You are going to have this absolutely gorgeous World Traveler stamp set, and it says box kit exclusive. So what I'm taking is that this will not be released to the general public, only if you get the box. And I mean, look at this travel tag, live with no excuses and travel with no regrets, Oscar Wilde, all of these tickets. Oh, I just love it. And they're beautiful rubber stamps, so you get that. And you get this fabulous ephemera book. And what I love so much about this is it's so vintage. It is just old world stuff. And look, I mean, the cut aparts in this is just amazing, where you can decorate your suitcase. Look at these tickets. Love it. And look at the back of the paper where you can actually write. And look at this. It's actually like a postcard. How fun is that? And like little stamps. Look at those tags. Love it. Oh, I've always wanted to go to Greece. Love that. I always wanted to go to Scotland and Australia. I mean, wow, so nice. Look at all of these tags and these look like those old tickets. All you have to do is just fussy cut those babies out. So nice. Love it. So you get several pages of that. And let's see what else is in here. And of course you get some of their fabulous acrylic paint. It looks like English mustard, suitcase leather, and pot of teal. That way if you want to paint your suitcase, which I haven't quite decided what I want to do yet. I'm still thinking on that. And look at this, the everyday notebook that we can put in our travel journal. Look at that. Isn't that fabulous? All distressed papers. Love that. So you get that. And then you get to the fun part. Let's do this first. There's actually 2 projects in here. Well, 3 if you count these big wooden paper clips. But you've actually got these wooden paper clips that you can decorate and use. And then you've got this metal, or not this metal, but this really thick board to use to make a journal with. And we're going to do that together too. And then you could put that in there. So this is actually one project. But the main project, guys, is you're going to have this. You're going to have 2 sets of those. Now I'm going to go ahead and move my box. And this is the suitcase. And look, guys, it's a huge size. Let's see how big it is. Get my handy dandy ruler. So your suitcase is going to be 11 7/8 long by 7 5/8 wide. So that's a pretty good size little project. So yeah, super fun. And so you're going to have, that'll be your top and bottom. And then you're going to have, this is going to be your handles and your latches. Oh, might help if I turn it over. You can see it better that way. Your dowels. And I can show you what all these pieces are for. And then here, you've got where you can make a wooden tag. These are going to be your hinges. Love that. And that would be for your tag. So let me tell you what you're going to need to start with, just to put the suitcase together. You will need, this is made not to have to glue it together. There is all of these, they latch together, but I recommend using some kind of glue. That way it's more sturdy. You can use their grab and go glue. You can use, I hear it already, the official glue of Scrappy Shack. I'm going to use some of Barely Art glue. It's just going to give it a little bit of strength. You will need a paintbrush and some water. And I learned that from Indigoblu. That's real easy if you get some glue everywhere. It just cleans it up super easy. And I think that's all we need to go ahead and put this together. So why don't we go ahead and pop all of our pieces apart, and then I'll show you how we're going to separate them, and then we'll get started.